Hello, this is Dr. Kulback at K2 Restorative Med Spa, and I have this beautiful young woman here, and she's wanting to refresh the skin on her face, even out her skin tone, help with fine lines and wrinkles, and today we're going to do a vampire facial. And what that entails is I draw her blood, I put it in this centrifuge. I have several centrifuges here that I use, and I use this particular one today. And I isolate her platelets, which are the things in your blood that heal you. When you break a bone or have surgery, the thing that comes and stops the bleeding and then releases healing and growth factors is your platelets. So that's what we're going to put on her today, and we're going to microneedle that in. And it's a pretty easy procedure. We have numbed her, and so she's numb. And so just put a little bit of this on, and then you just microneedle this in. Now the reason I don't just spread this on the face like a cream or a lotion is that it's very difficult to get past your first layer of skin, your epidermis, to get to your second layer of skin, your dermis, which is the portion of your skin that does make collagen and elastin. And so this delivers the platelet-rich plasma directly to her her dermis, and she'll get a little pink from this. This can be done at lunchtime. You can you'll be a little pink after it, but you can easily go back to work. You can get a little bit of an eyebrow lift. We're going to give her a little bit of an eyebrow lift here. Because what this does is it stimulates collagen, it tightens your skin, and it makes your skin very beautiful. If you would like to have a refreshing procedure for your skin done for your face, give us a call at K2 Restorative Medicine. We'd be happy to do our PRP vampire facial on you. Our phone number is 205-255-1232.